Welcome in this video. We will download the jQuery library because in this course for Ajax we will use the jQuery library. Okay, so for downloading the jQuery library, go to jQuery.com, and now after click on download jQuery, and here we have multiple options. The first one is download the compressed production jQuery, and the second one is download the uncompressed development jQuery. Okay, but here we need to download the compressed version. Okay, I mean the first one. So click on the first version, download the compressed production. So now here control A, I'm going to, let's say, new file, control V, copy, control V, control S. First we need to save this file on desktop, jQuery.main.js. okay, so now I am going to my local server. So my local server is installed in D drive. Now it is installed in PHP XAMPP. Now it is installed in htdocs, and here I create a folder, Udemy hx file. Now go to desktop, copy, cut, open. So now jQuery.main.js. okay, so now friends, we have download the jQuery.main.js file. So in the next video we will start our actual work. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one.